Hello, and welcome to the Cinema 4D Artist. In Cinema 4D you have several different ways to switch in between viewports. For example, you can use this icon to go from perspective to front. If you mouse uses middle mouse button, you can use that to switch viewports as well. This camera's menu will give you several more views to select from. The function keys will also allow you to switch between viewports. For example, F1 will give you perspective. F2 will give you the top view. F3 will give you the right view. F4 will give you the front view. And F5 will give you all four windows. If you're working on small screens such as a laptop, it can be easier to have your viewport in full screen mode. To do this, press Ctrl plus Tab. And press Ctrl Tab again to go back. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy our tutorials, please like, comment and subscribe.